All right, you guys, I want to talk about a trade that I missed today. And I actually am kind of glad I missed it because it exposed a process deficiency or some part of my process that actually could be a future problem for me. So I learned from the experience. And I just want to take you through the trade setup, what I was looking for, and then what I learned about my process that I need to change. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at the E-mini S&P. This is Wednesday, November 29th. This is the box or goldfish setup that I'm teaching in my workshop in December. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for usually a breach of this box that I have on my chart. And I actually have an alert set up. So if you look at my alert, normally what I'm looking for is price to kind of come up and then down and out, okay? And in this case, it didn't quite do that. If we actually advance just one tick, you can see what happens here is we have a to the tick touch. Now that actually does constitute for me a signal for this particular trade. And but the problem is the way my alert is set up. It's set up for price going past this 45.78 level, which it did not do. It didn't actually go past this level. It went right to the level. So if it had gone one tick up into here and then down, I would have been golden and no problem. Would have got my alert, would have been able to get into this very awesome trade. So what happened with the trade is, so first of all, our trades always have a stop loss. They also always have a target for what we are targeting. The target is right here. Okay, so this is the target. The stop loss is up into this area here. So as we kind of put our little short tool on, let's see if the next candle cooperates. Yes, it does. We would enter here. We could have our stop loss either here, or we could have our stop loss right around here. And we need to make sure that to our target, we have at least 3R of profit, which we do in this case is 3.74. And we can move forward and boom, 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 boom. We are all the way down. And notice how good this particular level was. We actually come down, just barely breach the bottom of the level, and then we turn the rest of the day and till the end of the day. So bummer that I missed the trade, but I'm actually kind of glad because this could have caused future problems for me. Now that I know that it's kind of an issue, I can adjust the way that I do my alerts and make sure that I don't miss another one of these trades. So that's it for today. Another good example of learning how to improve your process when things don't go right. All right, till next time, happy trading.